Dear friends, I myself, Dr. Bharat Parab, discussing the topic algebraic expressions and identities. We have seen what are algebraic expressions and some operations regarding or involving algebraic expressions like addition and subtraction. And now we are moving towards the multiplication of algebraic expressions. We need this because as we know that we have to carry out the multiplication to find the areas or volumes or price, etc. Sometimes the multiplication is carried out between two or more polynomials. Okay, let us see or let us study some of them like this. Let us find a group of monomial, binomial, trinomial, and on this side monomial, binomial, trinomial. So we will be studying monomial multiplication of monomial with monomial, that will be 1a and 1b. You will come to know what is the difference between these two. Then monomial and binomial, that is number 2. Monomial and trinomial, that is number 3. Now moving towards binomial, binomial and binomial, because binomial and monomial is same as this two. That means what is remaining is binomial with binomial and binomial is trinomial. Okay. So these 5 combinations we will be studying. So total actually in fact 6, this is 2 and these 5. So total 6 types where 1a involves 2 and 1b involves 3 monomials. That means actually it is only 1. So there are total 5 split into 6. Okay. So we move ahead. 1a monomial into monomial multiplication of 2 monomials. Remember. Let us directly tackle the example so that it will be clear from the example. This is an example. This is a monomial 7x square and 3x are the two monomials. Hence, if you multiply these two, 7x square into 3x, that will be multiply these two numbers and powers of x. So 7 into 3 into x square into x equal to 21 x cube, or consider another one, 4y square and 3x, we get 4y square into 3x is 12. You multiply these two numeral values, that will be 12 into y square x. So this is very simple for monomial and monomial, that is multiplication of two monomials. So 1b is monomial into monomial into monomial, that is multiplication of 3 or more monomials. Okay. So 3x, 4y, 5z are the three monomials, and the multiplication will be 3x into 4y into 5z. So we will multiply these numbers and we will get 60. 3 into 4 is 12 into 5 is 60 xyz. That will be answer. So this is very simple. Okay. Now consider another one, 3 xyz, and another term is 7x square y square. Another term is 2x square or z square more than 3. So multiply all these numbers like this and you get 42 x raised to 5 y cube z cube, because this will these and these and these will add, all the powers will add to 5, like that you get cube and 3. So let us solve some problems before moving ahead. Okay. So exercise 1, need to read this properly, need to understand what is given, and then apply proper formula or proper property and then solve. Okay. So we read it very carefully, read it very slowly. Find the areas of rectangles. Okay. Areas of rectangles with the following pairs of monomials. Okay. As their length and breadth. Okay, so you have to find the area. That means you will need the area formula. Okay, and the length and breadth are given here in bracket. See, 20x square and 5y square is 1, and another will be 3mn and 4np. Okay, these are the monomials where we have to find the areas. So let us see the first one. 20x square is a length as given there, and 5y square is breadth. So we will see what is the area formula. The area of a rectangle is given by the formula. See, it is very easy. Area A is equal to length into breadth. Okay, where L is equal to length and B is equal to breadth. So now it is very simple. You know what is L, you know what is B. So substitute. So A is equal to 20x square into 5y square. Multiply this 20 and 100 x square y square. Okay. Don't forget to write the units. It will be square units. As it is area, it will be square. Whatever it may be, centimeters, meters, kilometers, anything. But you have to write the unit like this, square units. Okay. And the second one, 3mn and 4np. L equal to 3mn and B equal to 4np. Similar one, A is equal to 3mn into 4np. So that will be 3 into 4 is 12, 12mn square p. Okay, that's it. Very simple. Go ahead. Square units. Okay. Another exercise. Exercise 2. Here also we will read it very slowly and try to understand what is given and what is asked. Okay. So we go here. Obtain the volume of a rectangular box. Okay, or boxes rather than more than one, with the following. It must be length, breadth and height. Okay, because if you have to find the volume, then you need a length, breadth and height or depth. Here both are same. So these are given in that order. So what is that? xy is 1, 2x square y is breadth and height is 2x y square. And another one is A, 2b and 3c. Very simple. For the answer, so the volume of a rectangular box is given by the formula. You need to by add all these formula. They are very simple. You must know them. Volume of a rectangular box is given by V equal to L into B into H, where L is of course length, B is breadth and H is height. Okay, you know this very famous formula, and as you know from the problem, you know what is L, you know what is B, you know what is H. Okay, so we will see in the given problem xy, 2x square y and 2xy square, where we have L equal to xy b equal to 2x square y, because he said they are in respect to order, and h equal to 2xy square. Now it has become a very simple problem. So we write it v equal to xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. So you multiply 2 into 2 is 4, then x raised to 4 and y raised to 4. Don't forget to write the units. As you are dealing with volume, it will be cubic units. Remember this. Okay, cubic units, because you are finding volume. Okay, and the next one is a, 2b and 3c. So L is equal to a, b equal to 2b and h equal to 3c. So v equal to a into 2b into 3c is 6abc. Very simple. Cubic units. Okay. Another exercise, and this is similar to the previous exercises, and a little simpler than the previous one. Okay. See here, find the product of, here you have to find only the product, a, 2b, 3c and 6abc. Only terms are 4, but it is very simple. Another is m minus mn and mnp. Okay, answer. See, first one is a, 2b, 3c and 6abc. So we directly multiply all these terms. That is, product will be a into 2b into 3c into 6abc. Only thing is to multiply all the numerals, that is 3 into 2 into 3, 6 into 6, 36, and a, so there will be a square, then b and b, so b square, and c, so c square, so a square into b square into c square. Okay, as we don't have to find either area or volume, so we will not write units. Okay, had there been some such thing, we will have to write units. Okay, and second one is m minus mn and mnp. So product will be the multiplication of all this, m into minus mn into mnp. Remember the sign minus mn. Okay, so this will be, there are 3 m, m. Okay, so m, this m and this m, it will be m cube into 2n, this and this, so n square, and 1p, this, but the expression contains minus sign also, this, so we have to carry out this minus sign like this. Okay, that's the answer, minus m cube n square into p. Second one, monomial with binomial. Now multiply this is a monomial, 7x square, 3x plus 4y is a binomial. We directly multiply this 7x square into 3x plus 4y, that is equal to, you multiply this is a monomial, this is a binomial, multiply this with each term, 7x square into 3x, 7x square into 3x plus 7x square into 4y plus 7x square into 4y, this is to law. So now that is very simple now. 7 to 3 is 21 x cube plus 28 x square y. Look at the another example. 4a square into the bracket 3ab minus 4c, bracket complete. Now multiply this 4a square to 3ab, that is 4a square into 3ab minus 4a square into 4c. This is here minus 4a square into 4c. So this is 12a cube b, very simple, and minus 16a square c. You must have seen this is very simple. We move it to monomial into trinomial. This is 5p cube is a monomial, and this is a trinomial 2p plus 3q minus 9. Multiply these two, 5p square into the bracket 2p plus 3q minus 9. We have to multiply 5p square to all these terms separately. 5p square into 2p, 5p square into 3q, 5p square into 9, and minus sign carries like this. And now carry out the multiplication. 10p cube plus 15p square cube minus 45p square. Okay, so this is like that, is very simple. So it will be very simple. If we try some problems, let us solve some problems, and this will be very simple. Okay, find the product of, okay, product means you have to multiply the expressions. First one, let us read, minus 10 upon 3 p q cube, bracket completes, into 6 upon 5 p cube q. Okay, answer. This is very simple. Only thing is, say I am in answer I am actually multiplying the brackets, minus 10 upon 3 into p q cube into 6 upon 5 into p cube q. So for simplicity I have to rearrange the term. Okay, so I am bringing all the constants to one side. So this is minus 10 upon 3 into 6 upon 5 into all p and all q, accumulating all p in 1 and q in 1. Now cancelling this, 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10, like that, minus 4 into p raised to 1 plus 3. We are using identity. You know which identity is to be used. Okay. So I have given this identity. We have used for p and q, that is a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. That is the identity. So all powers are to be added, and finally we get minus 4 into p raised to 4 q raised to 4. That's your answer. And the second one, we are trying to find the product of these terms, x into x square into x cube into x raised to 4. Answer, you rewrite the terms, all the terms once again. X into x square into x cube into x raised to 4. Now take only first two terms to apply formula or identity, and second terms separately. So identity will be a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. So we get, for the first term, it is x into x square into x cube into x raised to 4. For first two terms, it is x raised to 1 plus 2 into, for this will be x raised to 3 plus 4. So we get x cube into x raised to 7. Again apply the identity. Okay, using the same identity again, you get the see it has become very simple now. All such problems are simple if you have enough practice. X raised to 3 plus 7, that is x raised to 10, that is your answer. Actually, you can find the answer by uh, applying this identity in a single phase. See, okay, same identity can be used. You need not repeat it again. So, see, we are rewriting the problem x into x square into x raised to 3 into x raised to 4. So this is equal to x raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is you are adding all the powers. Okay, that is x raised to 10. That is answer, the same as this. Okay, so you know how to apply. Okay, so add these polynomials, we are reading them p into the bracket p minus q, q into the bracket q minus r, and r into the bracket r minus p. Answer. Let us rewrite these polynomials, and then you have to expand them. You have to open the brackets. So let us carry out the first step of rewriting these terms or polynomials. P into p minus q, q into q minus r, and r into r minus p. See that you don't make mistake in copying it and sign. Okay, plus minus is very important. Okay, open these brackets, it's very simple. So first is p minus q into p, that is p square minus pq, that is the first one. Second one is q into q minus r. Okay, that is q square minus qr, that is the second one. And the third one is r into r minus p, or r minus p into r, is r square minus rp. Okay, that is the third one. As we have to add it, we have to check for the similar terms. If they are similar terms, they should come one below other. Only similar terms should be added. So all the equations 1 and 2, in all these equations there are 6 terms, 6 different terms: p square, pq, q square, qr, r square, rp. All these terms are different. Hence we will need 6 columns. Okay, are you getting it? You're getting 6 columns. Okay, so we are actually carrying out the addition. P square minus pq. Now q square, as there is no q square in the first, we write it separately, q square minus qr. And third one is r square minus rp. All terms are different, so we are having 6 different columns. Then generally start from the right hand side, minus rp plus r square minus qr plus q square minus pq plus p square. Seems you are very lucky to get this very easy example. So rearrange. It's not hard and fast rule that you should rearrange, but rearranging is better. P square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus q r minus rp. That's all. Another one, add these polynomials, hit them. 2x into the bracket z minus x minus y and 2y into the bracket z minus y minus x. Actually, both the brackets are same. Can even interchange this x and y into the bracket? Okay. Go ahead, answer. Rewrite the equations or the polynomials once again to copy them carefully. Don't make any mistake. And remember the sign should not make mistake in sign. If any one mistake in sign can spoil the whole problem. Okay, now expand this. Okay, expand both these equations, both these polynomials. See, it is here 2x into z minus x minus y will be equal to 2zx. See, follow one series or one order. You can write zx, you can write xz. At least in same problem, follow the order so that you can recognize the terms, similar terms properly, very easily. Okay. So another expansion, 2y into z minus y minus x equal to 2zy. So I am writing z first always, minus 2y square minus 2xy. Add the similar terms, that is to write the similar terms one below other. That is why I was talking about writing the terms in proper order, like zx can also be written as xz, but write the same order next time. Okay, this is the first one I am taking. So it is 2zx minus 2x square minus 2xy. Now which is common is these are 2y. I think zxy is common. Okay, so this is common. So right below that minus 2xy, and these are not common, so write them separately. 2zy minus 2y square. Now add. Very easy now. Start from right hand side. Minus 2y square plus 2zy minus 2 is minus 4xy minus 2x square and 2zx. Okay, this is your answer. It is better if you rearrange it. Take all squared property, all these square terms in the beginning. So minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 4xy plus 2zx plus 2zy. Now after adding the two polynomials, we are moving towards how to subtract the two polynomials. It is same as adding. All rules remain same. Let us actually go for the example. Let us read 3l. First polynomial is 3l into bracket l minus 4m plus 5n. So it is written there. We have to subtract this from 4l into bracket 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Okay. Now answer. We will rewrite these polynomials and try to expand them or open the bracket. Okay, so I just rewriting it because these will be on paper and you have to rewrite this in answer sheet. So keep this habit. Okay, so that you don't make mistake in copying from paper. So it is 3L. I have already gone through it. Now expand both the polynomials. Okay, so let us see. 3L into L minus 4m plus 5n will be 3L square minus 12lm plus 15ln. Very simple. In this only you have to take care that you should not make mistake in sign. Generally when you multiply 2 minus or plus minus, that sign is very important. Okay, and another one is 4L into 10n minus 3m plus 2L will be 40ln minus 12lm, yes, plus 8l square. Okay, now we will count the number of terms. The L square is 1 in both, Lm is 2 and Ln. So there are 3 totals. Similar terms. One is of L square, another of Lm, another of Ln. Okay. So we will need 3 columns. Okay. Here we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So we will write the equation 2 first and we will copy it as it is. That is, you can even arrange in the beginning, but that might lead to some mistake. So copy it as it is, 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square, and then similar terms below similar terms. This plus 15ln is the first, minus 12lm and plus 3l square. Okay, as we have to subtract it, we are going to change the sign. See, it is given there. Okay, so this thing is very simple. Only ln should come below ln, l square should come below l square, like that. So 12lm cancels, and this is 8 minus 3 is 5l square, and this is 40 minus 15 is 25ln. Okay, so now we can rearrange. It's not necessary to rearrange. It's better to rearrange. So we get 5l square plus 25 ln. Can take 5l common, l plus 5n. That's your answer. Okay. Second problem, second exercise, same, subtracting one polynomial from the another. Okay. So reading it here, 3a into bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b into bracket a minus b plus c. The whole is one polynomial. Okay, and we have to subtract this polynomial from the second one, that is 4c into bracket minus a plus b plus c. Okay, remember. So this whole is a polynomial. We will rewrite and expand at the same time. So we go ahead by expanding it. Okay, they expand the two polynomials so that it is very easy to carry out the further process of subtracting. So 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c will be a minus b plus c will be 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2. You can write ba, but write ab, keep the alphabetic order constant so that it will be easy to recognize or understand these similar terms. There is no harm in writing ba, but you follow one particular way. Okay, so 3a square is ab minus 2ab. Okay, so you are getting only 1ab, and these are the 5 terms remaining in this. Okay, so do write that AB or AC as such. There is no harm in CA or AC, but follow one practice. Okay, so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, so this is the final one, that is we have given it number 1, 3a square plus AB plus 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. Whenever you do this, it should contain different terms. Now this all contains different. There are 5 different terms. And second one is 4c into minus a plus b plus c equal to minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Okay, so we have to subtract the first one from this second one. So look for the similar terms and write similar terms below another one. So there is AC there. Yes, there is AC. BC is also there, but C square is not there in the first. So we write the, sorry, this is the same. C is given there, and this. The only 2 terms are common. So the 2 terms will come one below other. So we have to subtract first from second. Remember, okay. So we have to write the second one first. Just try to copy as it is. Second, you have to subtract 1 from the 2. Okay, so minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square, and from subtracting, when we have 3ac, so write below ac, and minus 2bc, write below bc. C square is not there in first, so leave that space and write the a square besides that plus ab plus 2b square. Now as you have to subtract, you have to change the sign. So I am changing the sign. See the red ones. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is minus, it will be plus. Now this is very easy. You can try a solution from left hand side, but it is better to try it from the end or right hand side. So I am taking it minus 2b square minus ab. All terms will be different. Minus 3a square plus 4c square plus 6bc minus 7ac. Okay. So you generally try it from the end or from the right hand side. Now rearrange. Rearranging, keep all the, though there is no rule like that, but you can keep all the square term in the beginning and then all product after that. Okay, that's your answer. Fourth one, binomial into binomial. So we are multiplying 2 binomials. Take example. This is 1 into bracket 3ab minus 4c, bracket complete, and another bracket x plus 2y, another binomial, and we are multiplying this 3ab minus 4c into x plus 2y. Now in this, first term of this should be multiplied to the whole of this, and second term again to the whole of this, like this, 3ab into x plus 2y plus minus 4c is a second term. Remember this, carry with sign. Okay, into x plus 2y. Now we have done this by distributive law. Now this has turned into a monomial into binomial. Very simple. So this is 3ab into x plus 3ab into 2y plus, carry out with minus sign, minus 4c into x plus minus 4c into 2y. Now solve. Remember signs, these negative signs, especially when there are negative signs, you should be very careful. Okay, 3ab into x is 3abx plus 6aby. This will be minus 4cx minus 8cy. Very simple. Okay. Example 2. Another two binomials. 4a square plus 1 is 1. Another bracket 3ab minus 4c. Okay. So 4a square plus 1 into 3ab minus 4c. So 4a square multiplied to the whole bracket 3ab minus 4c plus 1 into 3ab minus 4c. Now this term, all these terms, 4a square into 3ab minus 4a square into 4c plus this will one will keep the value same, 3ab minus 4c. 4a square into 3ab minus 4a square, so this will be 12a cube b. See this here, minus 16a square c plus 3ab minus 4c. Okay, these are not like terms, so they will remain as they are. Okay, so this is how binomial into binomial is to be carried out. Okay, move ahead. And the last one, binomial into trinomial. Example 1, this is a binomial x plus 2y. Another bracket contains p plus 4q minus 5. This is a trinomial. So multiply x plus 2y into p plus 4q minus 5. Same, same procedure, same method. X to be multiplied to the whole bracket. Then again 2y to be multiplied to the whole bracket. So x into p plus 4q minus 5 plus 2y into p plus 4q minus y. So now this has become binomial into trinomial. Now it is very simple. This has we have already done this. Just converted to this form. So this is x into p plus x4q minus x into 5 plus 2yp plus 2y into 4q minus 2y into 5. Now it is very simple. xp plus 4xq minus 5x plus 2yp plus 8yq minus 10y. Okay, so this is that. Okay, another example, example 2. Take this binomial into bracket 3ab minus 4c. Another bracket is a plus 2c minus d. To multiply this, so it is here 3ab minus 4c in one bracket into a plus 2c minus d into another bracket. Same procedure. 3ab should be multiplied to whole bracket, and again 4c should be multiplied to another bracket. See, same bracket. Okay, it is 3ab into this bracket, a plus 2c minus d minus 4c in the whole bracket. Now it is monomial into trinomial form, and very simple now. 3ab into a plus 3ab into 2c minus 3ab into d minus 4c into a minus 4c into 2c minus this minus, this is this minus. Okay, minus 4c into d. Okay, now solve. 3a square b plus 6abc minus 3abd minus 4ca minus 8c square. Now this is minus into minus is plus 4, that is plus 4cd. Okay, this is cd. So this is example of binomial to trinomial. Binomial to trinomial, it's very simple, and let us make it very simple by solving some examples. Let us try some examples. Okay. Problems on binomial. We have seen addition, we have seen subtraction. Now multiplication of binomials. Okay. First one, y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. Very easy multiplication. Rewrite the binomials. Y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Now in this first bracket, first term, that is y, should be multiplied the whole bracket, and second term minus 8 should be multiplied the whole bracket 3y minus 4. So we carry out the multiplication like that: y into 3y minus 4 minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Now multiply the each term, y in the 3y square minus 4y minus 24y minus 30 or plus 32, minus minus plus. Very easy now. Now add this 3y square plus minus 28y plus 32. That's your answer. Second problem in this series, where we have to multiply the two polynomials, or rather binomials. See, they are here: 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square and 4 into a square minus 2 upon 3 b square. Complete the bracket. Answer. First, we have to expand or open the second bracket, as it contains a number outside this bracket which multiplies the whole bracket. So we have to solve that first. Always, if anything, it's always open the brackets if any term or any constant is multiplied to the bracket. It is written there. This is a number which is multiplying outside the bracket, and this is 4 in the present case. So we copy it as it is: 4 into a square minus 2 upon 3 b square. Okay, so carry out the multiplication: 4a square minus 4 into 2 upon 3 b square, and complete it: 4a square minus 8 upon 3 b square. Okay, so complete this bracket. This is the second number. We are denoting it by number 2. Now multiply first and second. This is a opened bracket form. So 3 upon 4 a square plus 3b square, the whole bracket, into the second number 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. Always do the same steps. Now first term into the whole bracket, second term into the whole bracket, same as we have done previously. So 3 upon 4a square into 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square plus 3b square into 4a square minus 8 upon 3b square. Now solve it. Now it is very easy. 3 upon 4 a square into 4a square. Again 3 upon 4 a square into 8 upon 3b square Okay, now the second term plus 3b square into 4a square, and again minus, you have to carry out the sign of the term, the minus 3b square 8 upon 3b square. Now cancel, 4 cancels with 4, 3 with 3, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, and these 3. Okay, now it has become very simple form. So 3 into a raised to 2 plus 2 minus 2 a square b square. See, it is a 2 is there, a square is there, b square is there. Now 4 into 3 is 12 a square b square minus 8b 2 plus 2, b raised to 2 plus 2. Final answer 3 into a raised to 4. Now carry out this, plus 10 a square b square minus 8 into b raised to 4. That's your answer. Okay, solve some problems. Thank you. Another type of problems, simplify. Simplify these expressions. Okay, let us read. Into bracket x minus 5 bracket completes into x plus 5 into bracket plus 25. Okay, answer. While solving such type of problems, begin with the brackets first. Try to solve, or always solve the brackets and then go ahead. Okay, so we will also solve the brackets, as we get x square minus 5 and x plus 5. We will write the whole expression and try only solving the brackets. Okay, so while multiplying, first term of the first bracket to be multiplied to the whole bracket, second bracket, and second term again to the whole second bracket. Okay, like this, square x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5, plus carry out these 25 as it is. Now carry out the actual multiplication, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus minus 25 plus 25. Okay, so this 25 cancels, and you are left with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Okay, you can take x common, or you need not take, up to you, but I am showing you by taking x common. So x into x square plus 5x minus 5. That's your answer. Okay, go ahead. Example number 2. In this topic of simplifying the polynomials or expressions, polynomial expressions, 1.5x minus 4y, this into bracket, another bracket, 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. Don't get worried about the 1.5 and all these factors, because they are very easy to deal. Method remains same. Again, we have to begin with the brackets and carry out other terms as they are. This is actually very simple problem. Okay, we will just see how it is simple. Just see, we are just carrying it out. 1.5x minus 4y into bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and carry out the other terms as it is. Now try to solve only bracket. The first term into the whole bracket and the second term into the whole bracket. Okay, you have to multiply the second bracket with the each term of first bracket. Okay. Now see this 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 into bracket minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 into bracket, and carry out both the terms minus 4.5x and plus 12y as they are. Okay, very simple. Now carry out the actual multiplication. 1.5x into 1.5x is 2.25x square. Okay, now 4 into 1.5 is 6xy plus 6xy. Okay, 1.5x into 3 is 4.5x. Very simple. 3 into 1.5 is 4.5 minus 4 and 1.56 xy, sign is minus. Now again minus 16y square and minus 12y. After this the cancellation starts. Similar terms will get cancelled if they are there. Just see minus 6y plus 6y will get cancelled. Another is 4.5x and another plus minus 4.5x and plus minus 12y plus 12y. Okay, what remains is 2.25x square minus 16y square. That's your answer. Okay, very simple. Carry out. And the last one in this series of simplifying the expressions, third one, CD is written here into bracket a plus b plus c and another bracket a plus b minus c. You have to simplify this. Okay, so answer, multiply second bracket by each term of the first bracket. Okay, so it is written there. Read the comment. In actual problem, when you are answering any problem like this, you need not write all this. This is just for you to understand. You can directly apply a rule to the problem. Now see a plus b plus c, the a is to be multiplied to whole bracket a plus b minus c, then b to this bracket and c to this. Okay, so we will carry out like that, a into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c and plus c into a plus b minus c. Now the problem is very simple. Expand it or multiply it. A square plus ab minus ac, always go alphabetically, so that is very easy to understand. Like ab is same as ba, so in exam you don't get confused. Okay, see it is there, a square plus ab minus ac plus ab minus b square, like that. Now cancel, ac gets cancelled, plus minus bc gets cancelled, and you get a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay, now we rearrange so that all squared terms are on one side and another. After that, a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab. Okay, that's your answer. This is Dr. Bharat Parab helping you in your studies. If you have any difficulty in this topic, let me know through comment section and I shall solve it. Thank you. Good luck.